Somebody once told me the world is gonna rule me. I'm a nasty, stinky monster, hee hee. I was looking really filthy, so nasty, spoiled, milky, and the shape of a barf on my forehead. Well, the stink start coming and it don't start coming. Never use soap, I use mud for scrubbing. Didn't make sense for me to clean myself. It's bad for my look and it's bad for my health. I smell like poop, I smell like pee, so what's wrong with me smelling like pee? You'll never mold if you don't grow. You'll never shine if you don't glow.
Hey now, you're an ogre. You're so nasty, you're green. Hey now, you're an ogre. You're disgusting, gross, man. All that glitters is green. Only stinky boys get their swamp bag.
It's a wet place, couldn't get any wetter. You think you're dry now, wait till you come over. But the media all say I'm different, judging by the stink that's made where I'm living. The air of stink is getting pretty thick, and while my swamp is warm, the smell makes me sick. My nose is on fire, how about yours? I got tiny bugs living inside all my pores.
Hey now, you're an ogre. You're so nasty, you're green. Hey now, you're an ogre. You're disgusting, gross, man. All that glitters is green. Only stinky boys get their swamp bag. Hey now, you're an ogre. You're so nasty, you're green. Hey now, you're an ogre. You're disgusting, gross, man. All that glitters is green. Only stinky
Boys get their swamp back.
Right.
This is the part where you run away.
Somebody once told me the world is gonna roll me.
Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe and also watch more videos as well. Please leave a suggestion down below as to what you want us to do next.